this angle is super weird. But right now it is 8:11 and I'm getting ready to drop my dog off at the vet. Yeah, she just desperately needs to get her foot checked out. If you've watched my vlogs back from undergrad, her toe was infected last time because her toenails like growing out normally and she was growing like 2 toenails or something, so it's infected again. They're taking her back to the vet. So she's back there freaking out. She does not like car rides. And then after that I have to come back home and get ready, because if you guys cannot tell, I am crusty. I have a nail appointment today at 12:40, and then after that I have some packages coming in from Amazon that I want to show you guys. I'm going to try this daily uploading thing again, because last week it completely failed. On Wednesday my car ended up breaking down, and it was just a lot trying to figure out like how to get it fixed, what's wrong with it, how I'm going to get back and forth to work. My boyfriend's car broke down and he's still trying to get that fixed, so we were both using my car, and now my car broke down, so we're trying to figure out how we're both going to get back and forth to work and how I'm going to get to class and things like that. So it was really stressful. It was a really hard time, so that's why I did not end up finishing vlogging, but I'm going to try it again. I'm trying to prepare myself for Vlogmas. I'm super excited because my camera is actually supposed to come in. I told you guys a while ago that I ordered it, but for whatever reason my order got canceled and I never just reordered it. I reordered it yesterday, so it's supposed to be here I think by Friday, so I'm super excited. I'm super excited for better quality. But yeah, I'm about to turn on a Martinis and Murder podcast, and we're about to drive to take her to the vet. I'm hoping it's not too bad of traffic, so that I can just get there. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks on my way back, and I am starving. I need food because I didn't really eat dinner. So yes, I just want to come on and start the vlog and say good morning to you guys. I'm gonna turn on my podcast and get going, and I will talk to you guys somewhere along the way. Here, because this thing is like raised, but I just dropped my dog off at the vet, so I'm about to head back home. It is 9 o'clock. I ended up stopping at Starbucks before I got her dropped off, just because I had a little bit of time, and I got a venti chestnut praline latte. I also got a warm butter croissant, but I ate that already. So yeah, we're just about to head home and get ready so that I can get my nails done. I kind of want to stop because I need flip-flops for my nails, because I'm getting a pedicure, and I kind of want to stop somewhere to see if I can find some, but I feel like my mom should have some as well, so I may just ask her. I also need to stop by the bank because I need to get cash, so I need to go to a ATM. And yeah, that's really all that's going on right now. I just want to come in and check in with you guys and let you guys know that I dropped the little one off, and she got like an entire attitude with me. Like, she has a personality, guys. Like, she really does. So yes, let me head home so that I can have enough time to get ready, and I will talk to you guys when I get. It is, what time is it? 10:58, and I'm pretty much dressed and ready for the day. My hair is done. I just did my makeup, a quick simple beat. There's like this spot on the mirror. Let's go over here. A quick and simple beat, and then yes, this is just the outfit of the day. I'm really enjoying this like teddy coat. I don't even think it's going to be super warm, but that's okay. We're not going to be outside for too long. So yeah, this shirt is from Target. I just have on a regular pair of leggings, and then the jacket, coat, whatever you want to call it, is from Ross. And then I also got this new bag. Let me see if I can show you guys a little bit better. Yes, the bag is from Ross, Marshalls, Burlington, one of the two. I don't know, but yes. And like I said, my hair is wet. I am having a sale on my hair website. You get a free closure when you buy 3 bundles, so go ahead and check that out. I did like my bronzer. I will be filming a current favorites video, and a lot of these products will be in there, so stay tuned. But yes, this is just the fit. I'm going to try to get some pictures taken really quickly, because I have to run and get cash and stuff. And yes, I'm gonna try to get some pictures taken, and then we're going to head out and get our nails done. So I will talk to you guys along the way. Okay. I am in the car now. I'm all ready to go. We're about to go to Walmart, Wally World first to see if I can find flip-flops. Sorry, guys. And then, we are going to head to get our nails done. So I'm super excited. My music is about to start playing because Bluetooth is hooked up. So, yes, let me head on out. It is 7:20. I am home now. I got my dog from the vet, and oh my gosh, look at the little paw. So basically they ended up having to remove the entire toenail because it was like cracked in 3 different places. So they had to sedate her, give her pain medicine, all of that. So she has antibiotics. She has to go back to the vet on Tuesday to get her bandage redone. She's currently not wanting to eat her food, so she probably just does not feel good. So I'm gonna sit down and rest. Also, I just want to show you guys my nails. So I feel like the lighting isn't the best, but yes, these are just what my nails look like. And then for my toes, I don't know if you guys can really see that, but yeah, these are just what my nails look like. They're like this ombre, and I love them. I thought I would open up my humongous Amazon box that's right here and show you guys what I got. It's only 3 things in here, so this box is huge. But I'm going to set you guys down, open up this box, and I'll show you what I got. Like little bag holders. Look at it, aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh, I just like knocked them out. I just got like these little bag holders for my work badges. Let me turn the other light on. Okay, I feel like that's a little bit better. But yeah, just got these for my work badges. And then this is just the brand that I got them from. But you can see my nails a little bit better now. Yeah, these are just what they look like. I love them. And there's her little paw. Okay, what else is in this box? I got my Celsius. I got the kiwi guava flavor again. And then this bad boy right here is actually a birthday present for my mom. So yeah, I'm actually about to just sit downstairs so my dog doesn't have to go upstairs. I'm probably just gonna watch some YouTube videos, watch some TV. My boyfriend is doing military things this weekend, so I'm going to record Rick and Morty for him because the new episode comes on tomorrow and he's not gonna be back by then. So yeah, I haven't really ate any real food today. I'm starving. I was gonna stop by McDonald's and get myself something to eat before I had to pick up my dog, but I didn't have enough time, and so I haven't really ate any substantial food. So I'm gonna find myself something to eat. I'm also extremely thirsty and dehydrated. She is like freaking out because I'm sure she wants to lay down. So I'm going to find something to drink, something to eat, and watch some YouTube, and I will talk to you guys a little bit later. It is almost 10 o'clock and I'm just kind of sitting here. I have the TV on, and then I'm also just watching some YouTube videos. There's dog number 1, and just look at him, guys. Look at him. Oh my gosh, he's hilarious. But I didn't get any of the cleaning done that I wanted to get done today. It's just been a very long day. So tomorrow we're just going to have a super long to-do list to do. I've already created the thumbnail for this vlog, which I'm super excited about, just because, I don't know, I just like the way it came out. It looks like every other thumbnail I've ever done, but I don't know, just like the pictures that I use. So I'm actually getting really sleepy, so I'm just kind of sitting here for right now. I'm also extremely hungry. I ate some cereal, which is not food, I know, but I'm just kind of like wanting my dog to rest right now because of her paw. tomorrow. And I know if I get up and start trying to do stuff, she's going to want to get up and follow me because she has bad anxiety, blah, blah, blah. So it's kind of laying here. My mom should be home soon so that she can kind of like take over for me so that I can get some more food. So yeah, I'm going to sit here for a little bit longer, probably until my mom gets home, and then I'm going to go upstairs and take this makeup off and tie my hair up and everything, and probably honestly get in bed and go to sleep. I have a super long day tomorrow of things that I have to do. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I have to prep for the new work week. I have to do my laundry and things that I didn't get done today. I need to finish cleaning my room. I want to pre-film 2 videos because, like I said earlier in the vlog, I am going to retry this whole daily uploading for the week situation again. So this vlog will go up tomorrow on Sunday, and then from Sunday until the next Sunday, I'm going to have a video up every week. So, I mean, every day. What? So we're going to try this whole daily uploading thing again. Just really preparing myself because I am going to be doing Vlogmas. I also need to find time to film my Vlogmas intro because I do want to have a Vlogmas intro. But yes, that is what I have going on. I'm also excited for my new vlogging camera to come in. I cannot wait until my new vlogging camera come in. I'm super excited. I got the Canon G7X Mark II. I cannot wait to show you guys that. But yeah, I'm honestly just gonna lay here on the couch until my parents get home, and then I'm just going to be done for the night. Probably watch some Netflix and some Hulu. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you are an OG, thank you so much for tuning in and coming back. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.